Okay, you ready?
Yeah, go ahead. That's good.
Hey, it's Peyton. Hey, a couple weeks ago you may have saw on Instagram where we have a problem with our driver rear slide. The Swintech part on it, portion of the part is broken, and we're waiting on parts still to get that fixed. So supply problems like everybody else. Well, guess what? Now on our hydraulic slide on the front driver's side is showing some hydraulic leaks right underneath in the middle. So I wanted to show you that and see if you guys can help us out. Uh-oh. Got fluid right here. Alright, so I had fluid leaking right, it was coming right there, and I can't tell, I couldn't see where it was coming. This bolt looks like it's a little bit out, but I can't tighten it anymore. And I can't see it coming from anywhere else. Okay, so here is where we're seeing some hydraulic fluid drop out, and it does not come out when the slide comes all the way in. It's once we push the slide all the way out, and at the very end the fluid starts to leak. You can see it's leaking, showing right there, but I saw originally it was flowing out of that area, the bolt. I cannot tighten that bolt, any of these bolts. This one right here, the second one, I can actually loosen that up because that's where the line connects to it. I was unable to tighten that one at all. So if you have any suggestions, is it a matter of pulling that line off and reseating everything, or am I going to have to change this box out? Let me know if you've ever had this problem. You saw exactly where our leak was coming from. I don't know exactly what to do. I tightened all the bolts. That little box area has two lines coming in, the hydraulic line and all the bolts. I've tightened them all up. It didn't really change anything, so I'm not sure what else to do right there other than replace maybe the line starting with, take it off. You know, I don't know how much hydraulic fluid's going to come out of there, so if any of you ever dealt with this, please leave me a comment below and let me know that you have and how you fixed it, and give me some suggestions so I can get this thing knocked out and get us back on the road. We want to remind you of a product we installed on our RV over a year ago, and that's this little baby right here. Gas stop. Gas stop will actually sense any major flow of propane coming out of your tank, and it senses that it's too much and will automatically shut it off. You could have a crack in the line, anything could happen, and pop a line off and leak a lot of propane, potentially hurt you or your family, destroy your RV. And we know one of the #1 insurance claims in RVs is fire. So fire can destroy your property in minutes and could hurt someone in the process. So we simply install this. I think it took me 15-20 minutes to put this on. It is a very simple DIY project. It costs around 80 bucks. You can find it in multiple places. We will put that link below to find that. Also, the fine folks at Gas Stop will give you 10% off if you use the promo code TBD. And so thankfully that'll save you a little bit of money and keep you safe on the road. Hey, thanks for watching our video. Hey, until next time, nope. Hey, thanks for watching our video. And if you're not a subscriber, hey, tell them, hit that button. Hit that button. Okay, one more time. Here we go. With us and being a part of it. Again? Okay, below, show them. Show them where to hit that subscribe button. Show them. Say, hit that button below. Thank you for watching our videos. And if you hadn't hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button below. All right, you're going to do it.
Oh.
Okay, hey, thank you. Hit that subscribe button below. Tell them, hit that subscribe button below. We really appreciate it. And I'm getting squashed over here. Thank you so much for following along with us on our channel. And if you're not a subscriber, hey, hit that button right down below. Tell them, hit that button right down below and be a subscriber. It's free, and we appreciate it. But anyway, you can keep up with us on Instagram, Facebook, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Anyway, until next time, seatbelts on.